this video, I'm going to show replication between VPSAs. With your virtual private storage array, you can choose to replicate any volume from your VPSA that's connected to Amazon to a VPSA that's located somewhere else. In this example, I'm going to choose VPSAs that are both connected to Amazon, but one's going to be in Frankfurt in Germany, the other's going to be in California in the US. So the first step to doing remote replication, if you're replicating between areas, is to assign a public IP address. So in this case, I'll make sure I've chosen my Frankfurt one, assign a public IP, and that's going to go ahead and assign that. For your request, this generates a request to the Zadara storage team, and we generally approve that very quickly, and it should show up in your view of here. So in this case, I can see that the public IP address assigned was this string. In my other VPSA, which is my build environment for the Cinder driver, I've already assigned a public IP address. So I'm going to choose this particular IP address, log on back to my VPSA in Germany, and then I'm going to define a relationship between this VPSA and the other VPSA. So under data protection, remote VPSAs, I'm going to discover a remote VPSA, put in the IP address that I just assigned there. Both ends need the public IP address. There we go. I will put in my details for that other VPSA and hit submit. Okay, in this case I did remember my password there correctly. So here I have the definition between my VPSA, here the example for the video, with the other VPSA there. So I can see in here that here's some details about it. I've got a pool, also named pool, and I've got some logs showing what happened with this creation. So the important thing is here, I've got this pool of 542 gig. So then I want to create a mirroring relationship, a mirroring job between this VPSA and that VPSA. So I'm going to go and create a mirror job, right, and there we go. I choose a mirror name for the example volume, destination, example mirror. I'm going to choose to mirror the example volume, click on next, and then I choose the destination VPSA. In this case, it's the other ones. You can also mirror between your, within your local VPSA, which may make data replication also easier. And choose the pool, the remote pool that it's going into. Choose next. And I want to mirror on any of these snapshots using one of these snapshot policies. So I can either choose to mirror once an hour, once a day, once a week, or in this case, every 5 minutes, or whichever at another interval as defined by your own snapshot policy. So I'll click on submit there, and it's got a confirmation here. And it's successful. So right now, the mirror job is idle. I can see here the list of snapshots, the list of snapshot policies that is being used, any metering information here. So right now, it's idle there. I'm going to pause this video and force a mirroring job so we can actually see that the mirroring is underway. And we're back. I've let the mirroring run for 20 minutes. And now we can see that in this mirroring job, it's collected 4 separate snapshots driven by that 5-minute snapshot policy. So in this case, we can then log into the other VPSA. We would see a similar volume there that we can then create a clone of at a particular time window that you'd like to choose. And presto, your data is available on the other VPSA. It happens in the background with no problems for you. Any issues noted here, we can see in the logs, the mirror job was created successfully, the snapshots were there. And if you watch the metering information for that, let me choose the right interval, choose the 10-minute interval. Now, when you've got more information or a more active volume than I have in this demonstration, this will periodically spike up, showing that the data was mirrored across successfully. And that's it. Next video will cover replication to S3.